woke up, I was working on this, and I was like, damn, I really need to capture this on camera and share this moment with you guys. So let's just continue making this beat. I'll break down what I already did and add it, and then just go off of that. So it started off with these chords right here. Sounds really spacey already. Basically what I did right here is I copied it over and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and that's how I created the second chord. Then I copied it over and then I added some extra notes right here, which is really fire. I love it. So then to finish off this sound, I added some halftime to it, and that just created a whole lot of like emotion and tension, and I love this. Then I went into Splice and added this counter melody, just a little arp. We still need to add some effects to it though. And then I got this other counter melody as well. Add like an effect to this bottom sound right here. Let's add some shaper box to this maybe. Woo! That's hard. Let's clone this. Right here we'll add a kick since there's no like punchy element in there. I kind of like the bass more inside of the hook, I don't know why.
ass bitch, cause she was just playing with my little time. I'm traveling the world at the Pope, bringing the praises right to my son. Shawty, you gotta be cancer, you make me feel some tight way. And no, I can't be canceled, cause you feel some tight way. I'm in the lane, handle it. How much you killing these hoes, I'm fucking up my.
Whoa, we did a lot to the beat. I was trying to get the bass right. Sometimes it just takes a while, but we made it. I took the Cardi vocal just to give it like some reference on what pitch I should leave the beat in. I always struggle with this when I'm like pitching it up and down. But yeah, this is the final result. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I got a crazy video dropping next week, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace. Yeah.